This is a 2006 Buick Rendezvous. Safety, space, and comfort. This Buick's list of numerous features includes power windows, cruise control, a CD player, rear parking assist sensors, an airbag deactivation switch, and this vehicle has just over 49,000 miles. It features a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. This Buick has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this crossover in person.
Hi, I'm Mark Labadie, and I'd like to personally thank you for visiting our website. We're a family-owned business and been doing business for over 60 years in mid-Michigan. All of our vehicles have been professionally inspected and hand-detailed to ensure that you're getting the maximum value. Remember, we'll do whatever it takes to earn your business.